Happy Friday. This is Brandon Campbell coming to you live with another video on how to generate leads for your digital marketing business. And with that being said, we're going to jump right in. If you're trying to drive leads or traffic or get clients, the best way to do that is through Google Ads. And why do I say Google Ads? Because Google Ads is the place where everybody goes to look locally and internationally for products and service. And if you're a service-based business, or even if you got local products, you want to do your keyword research and do it on Google Creole. You can also use Neil Patel ubersuggest.com as it's a pretty good tool. It lets you know what the keyword rank for, what's the keyword score, how many backlinks are included, and how much it'll cost per click. Now, if you if your budget is if you have a small budget, you can do this easily. Make your ads campaign, and when you do, make sure you count the spaces in between, because those spaces, those really count in the counting of the description of the 160 characters. And you just have to try it and see will it work, because all this free advertising, like posting on your personal Facebook page, or posting in groups, this stuff, it simply doesn't work anymore. As to me, I've been online marketing for a long time, and I remember back when you could used to post on your personal page, you get a lead. You could post in a group and get a lead, but it's just not working like that no more. So try Google Ads, local search. You'd be amazed at how you generate leads right in your own backyard. Number two, use YouTube. Set up, if you don't have one already, set up a YouTube page. Make sure it matches with your social media as well as with your website, and try and do a couple of videos. I know what you're thinking, I'm scared. I don't got the equipment. Don't worry about it, because all you need is your smartphone, some decent lighting, and just snap them videos. Don't even worry about what you think about what people may think about you, or that you might not look right. Just go ahead and jump right in it. And then another thing you can do is make sure that when you are posting links or you're doing your social media accounts, make sure just to keep only your landing page. That way you can cut down on the bounce rate. And also, when people check out your social media, they'll want to check your site out and see. If you just combine these two with making a couple of YouTube videos, posting them to your personal page, or I almost forgot, set up also a Facebook business page, as that will help you to get your video a little more reach, a little more leverage. And you could also post your videos on there and do a small share campaign or like campaign for like $10 a week. I've done it several times. It's done got me quite a few leads, clients, and this way you get you some momentum. So now if you'll know the difference. Hey, well, this Google ad got me 2 clients this week, and you done made you a little money. So that way it's well worth it. And you got people coming to your YouTube channel, and it's steadily growing. You're making progress. I think a lot of these online gurus have gotten people fooled on what it is to get a lead, and people get worried, intimidated, stressed out, and thinking they can't do it. But it is really simple. You just have to stay at it and keep at it. And also, there's a lot of places you can go. Just stay tuned to the next video that I'm coming out with tomorrow. It's several places you can go and be free guest on radio talk show for like 5 or 10 minutes. But you got to make sure you have your social media account set up correctly. Everything's matching. That you got your landing page ready, because if you go on, just think, if you were to go on Oprah or something and you was to get your big chance, you ain't got nobody nowhere to send nobody to. You can't send them to no big old website with all these different products and stuff, because they'll get lost and your bounce rate go back up. But when you do your research for your ads, make sure you find out the buyer's intent. When you find out the buyer's intent, it'll help you better to formulate your ad and put it together so that the people that are looking for your product and your service in your backyard or internationally will be able to find you and either opt in or, inquire about your information that you got or your service, and, drive some awareness to yourself. Me, I'm a big fan of Google and YouTube, because the fact of the matter is Facebook is so spammy, but you can still get leads. Don't get me wrong. Facebook Live, I like it. It can help drive tons of traffic and get you quite a few leads. But I just like YouTube better because it is easy. If you do YouTube right, you can get your videos ranked as to where when people search for a term, a long tail keyword, that your video pops up. How awesome would that be for your video to pop up on the first page, and it's gonna be there forever? Like, unless somebody else come behind you with a better video, but you'll still be at the top. So take these two tips I gave you, use them. Hey, if you like the video, share, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification below to be let know when I do another video, as I give you more tips and more ways for you to drive traffic. And with that being said, have a nice day.